Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto E22, and I will show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's select the screen where we want to add the widget. Let's use this one for example, and just to add the widget we should hold for a while our device screen with a finger and then tap here to widgets icon. After that, we can see here all of the available applications with widgets we can add. For example, we can see here that Photos app has 2 widgets, the Facebook's 3 of different types of the widget. For example, the Google Chrome 4 of them, the calendar 2. Let's use for example the calendar. We can add the month here or the schedule. Just to add the widget we should hold it and after that drag it to the home screen here. If you want to resize it, you should hold it and after that by this way we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's all simple. If you want to move the widgets here on the screen, you should hold it and drag it. By the same way we can move it between the screens and we can create new screens with the widgets. That's not a problem. And if you want to remove it, just hold it and then drag it here to the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.